hair is a sad excuse of hair, you know. I have been requested by you guys to do another hair video for so long, and I have been wanting to do a hair, you know, hair change, hair color change video. Today I'm doing quite a color change, and from the title and from the thumbnail I'm pretty sure you already know what that's gonna be, and I hope it's gonna be good. Today we're going brown. Yes, I picked up a dye. This is a 5.74. By the way, the brand is Beauty and Science, BES. I got it from the salon I work at. I'm pretty sure this is a very universal color because the name of this color is coffee. Cafe. Obviously, you know, your girl isn't going to stay with one color, okay? So I'm going to be dragging this coffee color midway down, and then I stole this also. I'm going in with silver. I'm going to add an F.11 and F11, which is silver, to my ends. Now obviously silver is not going to cancel out the red. That is not why I'm getting silver. However, I did this on a girl once, and when I added silver onto her previously pinkish hair, it turned lavender, and I really like the combination of a cool brown with a sort of cool tone on the ends, which will be the lavender. Yes! Also, these two beautiful items of clothing are from Ramwi.com. By Ramwi I mean Ramwi. I'll be looking like a pimp, and I'll be dripping in finesse. I added about 70 to 80 grams of the coffee dye with about 70 to 80 grams of 20 volume developer. I'm saying about because I don't have a digital balance, so I'm always eyeballing this. Not something I recommend you do, but whatever. I added about 20 to 30 grams of the silver with an equal amount of 10 volume developer. Roughly. Got my hand condoms available right here. Also, look at these waves, okay? I did these on Friday and it's Tuesday today, so this looks like slop. Slop it onto your hair is what I mean. Makes you look older, doesn't it? I think this is it. I think, oh wow, yeah. Here it is, the very much needed hair color change, and boy oh boy is it a change. It's just the perfect thing for me. The brown turned out beautiful. You know, okay, you guys are probably thinking how beautiful can a brown be, but you know, and I used to say that, you know. But it turns out, I mean, this to me is beautiful. I put the silver onto the pink red and it muted it out just to the right amount. It's kind of like a mauvey color now. I matched it with my MAC lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick anyways, because they're bonding, so Yeah, I love it. I love it so much. Oh my god. I'll put everything down in the description box below. How to mix the dyes and what ratio, how long I left it on. If your hair, the ends of your hair is not pinky red prior to dyeing it, then this won't be your color, since I just added a silver on top to mute it out. If you want the same exact color, you'd probably have to mix prior to it a red and a silver together. And all the clothes that I've worn, including this gorgeous t-shirt type thing and this woolly shepherd's whatever blanket, is from romwe.com. I'll put the link of those also down in the description box below so you can check them out. Yeah, I do hope you give this a go, because it's mind-blowing, it's flattering, I like it. It makes me feel bossy. Feminism. Oh yeah. Okay, goodbye. Enjoy. Have a lovely time. Bye.